Hello, my name's Nadia Strachan and I'm an interior designer. I'm also your design consultant for today. Now, I've produced a series of wonderful interior design consultations for you to download on your phone, your iPad, your laptop, for you to have at hand 24 hours a day. They're really detailed and comprehensive downloads, whether you want to do it as a DIY project or part DIY, part trade, or just hand the whole thing over to somebody in the trade to do for you. It's up to you. Now, these consultations will only cost you £30 if you're in the UK, or €35 about that if you're in Europe, or just $40 US. Very comprehensive, very detailed. As I say, the actual consultation runs roughly around about a whole hour and a half in total for you to get all the information. This is an example of the sort of thing that you can get. Please visit the link below to find out more. Thank you.